Hi guys, morning once again, August 24, 2024. I've got another paint. This one was painted in acrylic paint material. Okay, you could see the shadows. This thing. So this paint is named the Moon. Material used is this one. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching my video.